Hey there, Brian Ostrowski, founder and CEO of Locable, and I am working on a project today at locable.com, and I want to show you how I use our tools to quickly improve our own website, just like you can. All right, so what you see on your screen here, that's over here, I'm going to look back and forth. What you see on your screen here is our demo request page. So if you're looking for services like we offer, we want to meet with you and explain and show you all the great things, right? Okay, so we're actually creating a page on our site with local marketing resources. We have a lot of resources in our blog, we have marketing plans, we have downloads, we have all the different things. And I want one place that I can send someone to, and that can be their jumping off point for all of the resources that may be relevant. So I'm creating this page here and all of that. You can see it's not fully baked. And as I scroll down, I want the bottom of this page to include a call to action that someone can click on and sends them to schedule a demo, right? Because if I'm here looking at some of these resources, maybe I'm also interested in talking with someone at Locable. So like you on your website, you're going to have offers, you're going to have events, you're going to have things you're promoting. Traditionally, you would add a little text area, you would type something in here, buy our thing, and you would add a link and you'd be done with. The problem is when you want this call to action to appear on many different pages throughout your website, maybe your blog posts, maybe your events. And in the future, you may want to take it down and you don't want to have to edit every single page. So we have a tool called the Call to Action Builder, and it allows you to do this. And so each page you can drop in zones. So I'm going to show you behind the scenes here with our site. So if I click on this, these are all the zones that we have done on Locable. Now, you can have one zone everywhere, you can have multiple zones, and you can name these zones whatever you want, but you want to make them useful for your team. So if you do a lot of events, probably want to have an event zone. If you do different types of blogs, you'll probably want different zones for each type of blog so the call to action can be specific to the content, right? You want it to match the offer and the content. So we have a simple zone we just created called demo requests because there's a lot of places on our site we want to hit people with, hey, come and talk to us, right? So now I need to add a call to action here. So the call to action, I just give it a name, which in this case is the same as the main message. And this is our little call to action builder. So you'll notice there's a header message and a subheader. And if I wanted to upload images, say from Canva or that sort of thing, I can, but I'm not going to do that here. I'll just set the colors of the text. And then as I scroll down, where do I want this to go when someone clicks on it, right? What's the destination? It can be anywhere. And what do I want the button to say? Request a demo today, right? And what color do I want that button to be? What color do I want the text to be? I can define all of this. I can make it on brand, all of that, and I hit save. So now I've got this call to action. And one other thing is I can decide where do I want this to appear on my website. And you can see I've selected a number of zones. I could say just one zone, I could say all the zones, but it gives me the ability to instantly turn on this call to action on dozens or hundreds of pages. And later, if I decide I don't like this call to action, I can deactivate it and it comes down instantly. More than that, it will rotate in with the other calls to action already targeting these zones. So I've got other messages out there and different people will see different messages and we can track performance over time. So now if I come to this very much a work in progress page and scroll down, that call to action is here. And if I edit the call to action, it will edit how it appears everywhere. So this is a great feature that will save you and your team time, have better prompts to convert visitors into customers or to schedule appointments or whatever your call to actions happen to be. And I wanted to show you a little behind the scenes of how we use it.